Have you ever stayed up way too late and then it was super difficult to be productive the next day? And so then you felt super duper tired and you ended up scrolling and scrolling and then stayed up way too late again and then did it again the next day? No? Yes? Well, because same. Well, today on day 17 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge, we are going to tackle that. Today's challenge is one of my absolute favorites because we get to pick a bedtime and not only pick it, but stick to it. This is gonna help super duper boost our productivity because we will be going to bed at a decent time and hopefully getting good quality sleep so we will wake up the next day feeling super duper refreshed. So for today's challenge, go ahead and think of your ideal bedtime, and how you're going to do this is by working backwards. Think from the perfect wake up time and count 7.5 to 8 hours before that. Once you got that time, go ahead and subtract 15 minutes of it because it roughly takes about 15 minutes to fall asleep. That is your perfect bedtime. Once you have this number in mind, go ahead and go to your phone and set an alarm for that time. Then set a second alarm for 30 minutes before that time. That way you do get your unwind time without disrupting your bedtime. If you like to do a more extensive bedtime routine, which I highly recommend, then set that second alarm up to an hour before your actual bedtime. And experts even recommend it is not wise to use the phone right before bedtime. So take all of this into consideration when you set your second alarm. Once you finish the challenge, go ahead and comment done in the comments down below to be entered for a chance to win. And I cannot believe we're already more than halfway done in the 31 Baby Step Challenge. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 18 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.